up, guys?
Good morning!
Tuesday. Wake up. Rainy day. But definitely wake up.
It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is a beautiful day.
Every day.
I'm breathing, right?
Day. Absolutely. Thank you, Lord, for waking me this morning.
Yes, sir. Want to start the day off with some gratitude. Thanking the Lord for another day. All right, another day to go out here and help some people. You know, push through all the goals that the Lord has set for me and live the life that He set for us. That's right.
Absolutely. Be a light.
What we talking about, man?
Man, we're going to talk about being a light. You know, shining bright.
Yeah.
For everybody in the universe to see and attract. You know, attract likes. Like attracts like. I mean, that's just what it is. What you are, who you are.
Yeah.
You're going to attract that. I mean, as a prime example. Excuse me, I've lost my voice talking this weekend. But, you know, you find that walking through life, you're going to find people that are just like you, whether you like it or not. So that if you find yourself, if you find yourself, you know, being surrounded by a bunch of people that are just complaining and not doing anything and not successful and miserable and broken, unhappy, then guess what? That's exactly who you are. So make sure that you are the person that you want to attract. And be out there and be a light, you know, to somebody. You know, be that positive, encouraging, you know, that person that they just say, something about that person right there that just, I just got to have a conversation with them or something, you know. And I'm telling you, it just makes your day when you're able to do that and make somebody else's day.
That's it. Yeah, I mean,
so awesome.
We see it all the time. You know, we actually, you know, we're working out with a young man, and you know, it's funny because he starts talking about his passion and he starts talking about his purpose, and it sounds real familiar.
Exactly.
And you know, that's an awesome thing. You know, when you really start to attract who you are, the people that have the same purpose, the same drive, the same hunger to be, you know, a positive role model for people, help people to be, you know, as strong as possible, help people to be complete. All right. And what I mean by that is living to their fullest capabilities, their goals, you know, their gifts that are given to them, you know, really helping people to find those things. Like Trevor said, get them out the dark, get them into the light. All right. We glow. And it's our job that the Lord has put us here. It's our job to glow for others and really show that light as bright as possible. All right. Well, you guys go out there. Have a great day on Tuesday. It's rainy, but who cares? The grass is happy. God bless, guys. Have a great day.